If you are like me, whenever someone asks you what are the web technologies you know, you always list HTML first. Then you maybe continue like HTML, JavaScript, CSS, TypeScript, Angular, React, and so on. But let's just stop at the HTML part. Do we really know HTML? We just assume that just because we know how to lay the divs around, maybe adding an anchor tag here and there, we know how to show an image, a heading, maybe a few other tags, but most of the time that's probably it. Today we're going to expand our HTML knowledge as I will be showing you how to use a progress tag. The progress tag represents the completion progress of a task. So in order to use it, we can type progress and then we set the value. Let's make it 10 for now. And we set the max value. Now when we go to the browser, we can see the progress tag rendered. Let's make it a bit bigger so we can see it better. I'm going to go to the CSS file, reference a progress tag, and then we set the width and height here. We can change the value of the progress in JavaScript by writing a few lines of code. I'm going to reference a progress element by calling the getElements by tag name and then accessing the first item in the collection because that's what this method returns. And then I can use the setTimeout function to set the progress value to 50 after 5000 milliseconds. For that, I'll call the setAttribute method on the progress element. If we go back to the browser and wait a few seconds, our progress will be updated. So that was it for this video. Thank you for watching.